Hi, Stefan Wolf here, and welcome back to my channel. Today a very short unedited video about this cheap and reasonably good quality knife. The packaging, simple clamshell. You can see the model number, the brand, and some specs. Okay, the knife is made in China. You can see, made in China. Let's focus. Okay, good enough. It has the option to put a pocket clip. You can see the two mounting holes, but I removed it with the screws because the outside layers of the handle are rubberized material and the traction is too bad to put in and out with ease in a pocket. So let's put it next to a ruler, about 8.5 centimeters blade length, overall length 21 centimeters. In inches, the blade length is about 3.35 inches. The thickness about 3 millimeters or to 0.12 inches. Dual thumb studs, again laser engraved logo over bead blasted finish, and we have the opportunity to see the steel they used, 5CR15, which means 0.5 carbon content and about 15% chromium content in the steel alloy composition. Steel liners, there is no cutouts for lightweight. I do not see washers. Backlock, some other engravings, Resistant Gear. Probably that's the line of the knives. Simple construction. We have hard orange plastic scales and rubberized black over them, just for size reference. Next to a Victorinox Nomad and Ganzo copy of Spyderco Stretch. Let's check it against the Izuo 2. Okay. One thing that was surprising to me, that the blade is pretty thin behind the edge. It's not as thin as the Ganzo. You can see the difference, but it's a reasonably good profile. Flat ground, draw point. Sorry about my fingers in front of the camera at the top left corner. What about the sharpness, initial sharpness? Let's see. Some paracord. Good enough. So. Reasonably good, nothing special. Being such low-grade stainless steel will be very easy to sharpen. I presume is about 55, at the best 56 alcohol hardness. This knife can be purchased in retail shops branded Decathlon. I think they're French brand. And of course, we already checked that the knife is made in China. Nothing special. I had the opportunity to use it for a couple of weeks now, and my impressions are good. The knife is what it is. It's cheap, it's functional, it's durable, came pretty sharp out of the box, easy to sharpen. I don't like the finish. It's cheap finish and it looks cheap, but the knife is cheap, so you can have everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.